How to create a voting poll in Google Forms. This tutorial shows you how to set one up so people can quickly submit their choice. First, open Google Forms on your computer and start a new blank form. From there, click on the Untitled Form field at the top and give your poll a title. After that, click into the Question field and type your poll question. At this point, look at the drop-down on the right side of that question. Following this, select Multiple Choice, which works well for a standard voting poll. From here, type in each answer option in the fields provided. At this stage, click Add Option if you need more choices than what's already shown. Following this, toggle Required at the bottom right of the question if you want to make sure people can't submit without voting. Once your question and options are set, your poll is ready to share. From here, click Send at the top right. At this stage, choose how you'd like to share it, like copying the link or sending it directly through email. Once shared, responses will start coming in, and you can check results anytime by clicking the Responses tab at the top of the form. That's how you create a voting poll in Google Forms. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!